Oh, it's your baby?
My baby.
Claire, what's his name?
Baby.
Baby.
Is also and baby. I know it's baby. No eyes.
Careful of his eyes. Hey, Claire, what does he eat?
He eats the body.
He eats a bottle?
The body.
What's this?
It's body. A patty.
And a passy?
Yeah, blue.
It is blue, that's right. Very smart.
And it was blue. It was blue.
Does he love you? Careful, I don't think he wants it. Oh. Do you love him? Careful of his head.
Bye.
You shoving him over? Careful of him.
Huh. What? Mouth.
Mouth.
Mouth and my
Oh,
eye.
careful of his eyes. And where's his foot?
Foot.
Where's his knee?
Me.
Where's his elbow?
Ava.
Very good. Where's his belly?
I'll find baby.
It's under his shirt. Where's his ears?
Ears.
Very good. Where's his hair?
Here.
Do you know where his chin is? There it is. And how about his fingers? That's your chin. That's your neck. This right here is your chin. Uh-huh. Elbow. Oh, Ezra. Look what he did, Claire. Look at his mouth.
Where Yappy? Where Yappy?
Good job. Is that gross?
Goes. Ew.
Okay, that's probably good. Want that, Passy? You're about squished over, Ezra.
I want.
You want me to move him?